we go. I'm just waiting on YouTube right now. There we go. We are live. You're at Wall Street Sizing Up. We're glad you're here. We're sponsored by StockTrade.tips. I'm your host, I guess. StockTrade.tips. I also moderate that as well as a free Telegram channel. Jump in. We do clearly free alerts because that's what this is going to be. Free smart money stocks to watch. But we've got free analysis in there for right now. We just constantly stream news about the markets and certain stocks, meme stocks, value stocks, whatever it may be. So jump in there at stocktrade.tips. That's the website as well, but that's also the Telegram channel. So I know why you're here. You want, especially the guys in the channel now, they want to get a little one of our alarms, and so with that, I'm going to give it to you. First up, I want to show you though the StockTwits rankings. I'm also looking at, just so you know, looking at now Twitch. So I'm looking at the top Twitch stocks. I don't have a specific website for that, but there are some different places that you can go that you can kind of make it work. On StockTwits, what you've got trending right now, none that I've really picked out, even the most active. I do like Wish for tomorrow, and if somebody's got any information on Torch, Light, Energy, TRCH, and on MMAT, please let me know. Please, guys, if you would, please let me know on the channel as well. All right, that's that. And then what's trending on Wall Street Bets right now? Wish is still number one. I will tell you this: the one meme stock that I'm really not going to talk about, but the one that I do like for this week is SENS. It looks like they've got a on Biopharma Catalyst. It looks like they've got a drug that could be FDA approved. Might be 5 weeks from now. It might be 5 days from now. I don't know. I need to look further into that, but I do like SENS as a swing trade, maybe even a 2-3 month swing trade. So with that said, sentiment, we've got Wish, Space, SPCE, which was up huge, 40%, AMC, Tesla, and GME. I'll tell you on BlackBerry, just real quick, it's in a huge downtrend. I probably lost more money in that meme stock than any other meme stocks that I've gone after, right? It's good to see CRISPR moving up here. CRS, sorry, that's not CRISPR, that's Corsair. That's the gambling stock. So I just realized that. So with that said, let's go. So first up is, are you ready for this? Media Alpha. All right, this is a interesting stock. You can see it's gone flat here, right? And it keeps bumping off, and I'll give you all the resistance levels here in just a second. But here's the thing. 3 investors. They all sized up about, I want to say the 15th, 16th, 18th, 17th, whatever. There's 3 of them. They, between them all, took 11 million shares, right? $50 million. Now, it is an expensive stock. It's at 45, so half of my channel's not going to listen now, right? But I like them because look, they got a smaller float, right? It's a swing trade. It's kind of a YOLO at this point too. But if it breaks above, what did I have it at? I've got it 40, 45, really about anything right, 45 bucks, 45.18 is what I've got written down. I really like the stock, and I want to show you something on the Telegram that, oh yeah, so this right here. So this is some really good advice. Like, so we have 3 real rules on the channel, all right? Cut your losses quickly, number 1, period. Like, let your winners run. You've heard of those, right? If you're under the patented day trader rule, I would not trade until after 1 hour after the bell. But if you want to trade before then, this is pretty good. This is pretty good. And then this is what I do. I just didn't put it into words, right? He's saying buy 25% on the initial signal, right? So when it opens up, I typically call that a tracking stock, right? So I just buy a few shares just to track it. So it's on my radar, if you would. Add another 50% on a confirmation of a signal or a reversal add another 25% on the follow through, and then just keep building your position. Thought that was really, really good advice, and that's what I do without putting it into words. All right, so getting back to MAX, right? So anything above 5, I'd like to see this thing open up. It looks like it should open green. Let's look at the chart. On the 45-minute chart, no, it looks like it's going to open down. The technicals do say buy. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, the technicals do say buy. It's not. It may not open green. If you look at the 2-hour though, still looking down. That's why we like this as a swing stock. And if you look at the 4-hour though, it's looking like it is trending up. So with the RSI and the MACD. So we like to see that. All right, so Max, there you go. Tell us about, also, last thing, Twitch. It was like the number 9 most mentioned stock on Twitch. That's kind of where I found, I found the investors, and then I started doing some research, and boom, right there on Twitch. All right, next up is, and I like this stock, RSLS. Thanks for just loving you. There we go. All right, so what's going on?
And 3 grams of fiber. Oh, and 9 grams of whole grain.
Isn't that awesome? All right, we'll just get rid of that one. All right, RSLS. Sorry about that. What prepared for that on FinBiz. RSLS. I like this stock a lot. It's got a lot of stuff. One is it's got extremely low float, literally extremely low float. If you want to look at on finviz.com, it's RSLS. Extremely low float. It's got a high short interest that keeps going up. It was 28, now it's above 30. Okay, it's riding a trend line down, and I've got on my notes here, the technicals are not good. They say sell, right? Now, what I've got is on the 1 hour, it's an extremely good buy. And as you fade into the 4 hour, you'll see the strength weakens, but you can see how it's climbing. So I would expect this to probably open green, just so you know. There you go. Now let me get back here on FinViz. Actually, I can go to this one. Do it real quick. Go back to RSLS. RSLS. Reshape Life Sciences. That's where we're at. All right. You can see it's a strong, almost a wedge down, channel down for sure. You can see the small float. You should the short float. I'm just going to put some resistance in here. Yeah. So your next resistance, what I've got is at 7.06. $7.06. We found this one through our Mrs. Capital, sized up on it, and this is crazy. Sized up on it on the 15th. It gets a 45% pump. It falls completely. Like he literally got in right here. You can see the pump. Sorry, that's not where he got in. He got in right here. Boom. And then it just fell back to earth. And this is where we're picking it back up at. You know what? I take that back. Boy, this thing pumps a lot. Take that back. I think he got in right here. And anyway, there's a 45% pump. It's not showing on this chart. It might be on the next chart. But anyway, that being said, those are the two stocks that we like for Monday. RSLS, MAX. The two stocks that we hold that are real, like if we go to Insider Buys, they just keep sizing up on RIG. So we still hold that one, right? We still hold MGNX, right? These stocks just continue to grind higher. RIG is a very cheap stock. It's about $4 or $5. MGNX, I believe, is at like mid-20s, right? So like those. Also, too, that we found that that I could probably talk myself into on. We found them through 13Gs and 13Ds. So you got investment funds or hedge funds sizing up. Is ICON, Iconics. It's a retail brand, and then SNCR, which I believe we were alerted on them before, maybe 3 weeks ago, maybe a month ago. So SNCR. So MAX, RSLS. For the meme stocks, again, Max is more of a YOLO. SENS might be a longer swing. RSLS could be a swing. Max is definitely a swing. RIG, MGNX, we're still holding those. And then two more that you might watch, ICON and SNCR. With that said, have a great weekend, guys. We will see you here on the channel tomorrow. Cheers. Watch your six. Go hard in the paint. We'll see you. Thanks, guys.